Every dollar you spend has a hidden cost. It's called opportunity cost. Recognizing it can transform your financial future. For instance, in the 1970s, Warren Buffett chose to invest in stocks rather than spend on luxury items. This decision played a crucial role in building his fortune. Opportunity cost is the value of the path not taken. Imagine you have $500. Invest it and potentially earn $200 over time, or spend it on a weekend getaway. That $200 return, that's your opportunity cost. In business, choosing between two projects with different potential returns also involves opportunity cost. If Project A could earn you $50,000 and Project B could earn you $70,000, the opportunity cost of choosing Project A is the $20,000 you forgo from Project B. Opportunity cost is everywhere, in your coffee cup, your subscriptions, and your spending habits. It's about weighing today's desires against tomorrow's goals. For instance, choosing between buying a new gadget or saving for a future vacation can significantly impact your long-term goals. Consider the case of an investor who held onto cash instead of investing in a high-growth stock. Over a decade, they missed out on substantial gains, highlighting the significant impact of opportunity cost in investing. Ask yourself, is this purchase worth what I'm giving up? Consider the long-term benefits of investing in education versus the immediate gratification from luxury items. Financial success comes from intentional choices. Meet Sarah. She started with nothing but a dream and a plan. By recognizing opportunity costs and making smart choices, she achieved financial freedom. Every decision she made shaped her future. Reflect on your financial decisions and consider the opportunity costs involved. Subscribe to WealthWise for more tips and insights. Build your future, one decision at a time.